class, welcome back. Today we discuss leaf curl of papaya. Yeah, everyone known about papaya, okay? So let's start. Papaya is very popular among kitchen gardeners as packed delicious fruits contain numerous nutritive value. Consumption of papaya fruits has many health benefits related to diabetes, heart disease, obesity, and many others. So, it can be used as therapeutics in gastrointestinal disorders, intestinal infections, and many others neurological problems. Raw papaya fruit contain chemicals like papain and carpine that are useful as metenterizing agent and to remove parasites respectively. Papaya leaves are very much medicinal benefits. So, what is papaya? It is botanically called Carica papaya. Is a widely distributed agricultural crop in the tropical and subtropical countries. Okay, papaya cultivation largely suffers due to extreme climatic conditions like frost and heat, along with several fungal, bacterial, and viral diseases. On the one of the severe disease observed in papaya field is papaya leaf curl, causing major loss to its production. The disease being fatal to the plant is of concern at the papaya field are completely wiped out and farmers are at economic loss while cultivating papaya. Though this disease affects papaya crop in many parts of the world like China, Nepal, Pakistan, Taiwan, Africa and Korea and other. So papaya is originated from tropics of America and it was first cultivated in Mexico. Okay, India is the largest producer of papaya, covering the highest cultivated area with 42.3 meter per hectare productivity and shares 43.7% of the total papaya production globally. So there are many symptoms of this disease. You can see in the figure here leaves is curled. It is this figure is also you can see and this one is also all the leaves are curled. And then what happened? Papaya leaf curl disease is produced by papaya leaf curl viruses belong to the family Germiniviridae. Leaf curl symptoms of the leaf curl in the same manner means leaf curl like symptom on the host plant are the basis of its name, that is papaya leaf curl. In the same manner as we refer other disease like yellowing, ring rot, crumpling, papaya plant infected with leaf curl disease show severe upward curling. This is upward curling and this one is downward curling. Thickening of veins, rugosity of leaves and overall stunted plant growth. Diseased plant produce distorted fruits of small size with latex oozing out, resulting in very poor quality of fruits with less sugar content. Okay. Some papaya leaves curl viruses are reported to induce symptoms like crumpling, crinkling, mottling, and vein thickening also found. Okay. Severity of the disease is observed more in younger plant in field as compared to grown up plant or plant grown initially in nurseries under controlled environmental conditions. The disease is transmitted by the vector white fly, and severe curling, crinkling, and deformation of leaves characterize the disease, as mostly the young leaves are affected. When the severe conditions occur, then defoliation of the infected plant is also observed. And sometimes the petiole are twisted. Okay. The causal organism of papaya leaf curl viruses and leaf curl disease of papaya belong to the viruses of Graminiviridae family. It is not seed or soil borne nor sap transmissible, but is transmitted by grafting and white flies. The germinated particles contain single-stranded DNA. Systemic position of the virus is that this is Roman virus family, this genus Bagomo virus and species papaya leaf curl viruses. Then epidemiology, virus causing leaf curl disease of papaya has wide range of hosts like Ginea elegans, tomato, tobacco, dhatura and other, and white fly is the main mode of spread. Okay. Then papaya leaf curl virus is transmitted by the vector but not by sap and mechanical means. Okay. In nature, it is transmitted by the cotton white fly. Papaya is not a preferential host of white fly. They show a mortality of 70 to 80% if forced to feed continuously on papaya for more than 24 hours. Generally, more than 24 hours are required for successful transmission of papaya leaf curl viruses. Hence, it is assumed that the virus is acquired from alternate hosts such as tobacco, zinnia, and various weeds growing in and around papaya field is transmitted to papaya in brief inoculation feeding. So, its mode of spread is infected seeds, seedling, and grafting material. Then management is that removal and restriction of infected plants in the only control measures to reduce the spread of disease. All the infected plants should be rooted out from the field as early as possible and burned or buried in the soil. Use of granular systemic insecticides twice is also helpful in the management of this disease. The field should be kept weed free, particularly during monsoon season. Tobacco, tomato, sunhemp should not be grown near the papaya field, and growing of border crops, intercrops जैसे मेज, बाजरा, sorghum to reduce the infestation of bacterial pest. Use of sticky yellow trap to minimize the white fly population in the field. Regular spraying of neem based pesticide जैसे नीमागैन 0.3% at 2-week interval. Papaya nursery should be raised in net house or in isolated place, free from white flies, and should be sprayed with imidacloprid 0.03% regularly at 21 days during July to September, and some soil application of carbofuran 1 kg per hectare at the time of sowing, and 4 to 5 foliar spray of dimethonate 0.05% are used. These are the differences. Okay, thank you student.